Netfabb can be intimidating at first, but with a little practice and a few tools, you'll be up and running in no time. So far, we've imported a few models. Let's look at moving those around. We can grab the origin. We can use the arrows to move them directly in X, Y, or Z. If your Z arrow is not appearing, it means the Keep Parts on Platform box is checked. Simply uncheck that box to get it back. You'll notice when you check the box, the part moves to the platform. I can choose to move and rotate using the control bars here. I can rotate as well. Notice that as I rotate away from the origin, I get specific degree values. The closer I move my cursor to the origin, it snaps to specific degrees in 5 increments. I can go up to scale if I'd like to scale my model up or down. I can also go to rotate to select specific degrees along specific axes. I can also go to the Move tab where I can choose to platform, to center, and move the model as such. When I'm done, I can hit close. Another tool that's useful is the clipping planes. In the upper right-hand side, we see our X, Y, and Z axes labeled. Right now, these are not visible. Click on the rectangle to make it visible. You'll notice the X clip rolling through the screen. Let's take a look at the Z. As we see Z moving through our parts, we see it changing. Clicking on either side of the line will cut or show that clip plane. Here we can see that the top of the Z plane is cutting. This is great for checking internal features on parts, or maybe blocking out parts that are in your way as you're trying to add supports, or even cutting out supports so you can see other features. These will be used heavily throughout our tutorials. Simply click on the line to make the clip plane line disappear. As I'm navigating and rotating my models, rotating around the platform can be rather frustrating. If you select Zoom to Platform, it'll zoom there. I can select Zoom to Everything, which will do the same. I can select an area to zoom in on. And I can choose to zoom to Selected, which also enables me to rotate around that model when using the right click, or the navigation cube at the top, which can also be used to help look at direct 2-dimensional angles or 3-dimensional.